Imagine a workspace where collaboration is seamless, communication is instant, and productivity soars. Welcome to the world of Microsoft Teams, where teams can connect, collaborate, and create like never before. In this video, we'll explore how to maximize Microsoft Teams for better collaboration. From utilizing channels effectively to integrating apps that enhance productivity, we'll cover essential tips. Microsoft Teams is more than just a chat application, it's a comprehensive collaboration platform. It allows teams to communicate through chat, video calls, and file sharing, all in one place. Organize your work by creating specific teams for different projects or departments. Within each team, you can set up channels focused on particular topics or tasks. Each channel can have tabs for easy access to files, notes, and apps. For instance, you can add a Planner tab for task management or a OneNote tab for collaborative note-taking. Schedule meetings directly within Teams, and take advantage of features like screen sharing and recording. Effective communication is the backbone of collaboration. Tag team members in messages using it to grab their attention, especially in busy channels. Tailor your notification settings to avoid distractions and choose when to be notified. Don't underestimate the power of emojis and GIFs. They can make communication more engaging. Use threaded conversations to keep discussions organized and allow direct responses to specific messages. Microsoft Teams supports a variety of integrations that can enhance your collaboration experience. Use Microsoft Planner to create and assign tasks within Teams, keeping everyone accountable. Integrate OneNote for collaborative note-taking, especially useful during meetings. If your team uses project management tools like Trello or Asana, integrate them into Teams. Use apps like Poly or Microsoft Forms to gather feedback or conduct polls within your team. Automate repetitive tasks with Power Automate, setting up workflows for notifications. To truly maximize Microsoft Teams, consider establishing clear guidelines for channel usage. Schedule regular check-ins or stand-up meetings to keep everyone aligned and foster accountability. Encourage team members to share updates, celebrate wins, and provide feedback to build community. Provide training sessions for team members to familiarize them with Teams features and share resources. Create a feedback loop where team members can share their experiences and suggestions for improvement. In summary, Microsoft Teams is a powerful tool for enhancing collaboration. By understanding its features and following best practices, you can create a more productive team environment. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content. Share your own Microsoft Teams tips in the comments below and let's maximize our collaboration together.